Today I have come to visit a park in the suburbs of Jinan. The specialty of this park is that every evening a group of aged Chinese gather here to perform Beijing opera. Let me take you there.